In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV file in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the entire import process from inside Zoho CRM so you can quickly bring in data from a spreadsheet without creating records manually one by one. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM account and you're on the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see tabs for different modules like Leads, Contacts, or Accounts. Start by clicking on the module where you want your data to go. For example, if your CSV file contains potential customers, choose the Leads module. Once you're inside that module, look to the top right corner of the page for the Import option. Click Import, then choose Import followed by the name of the module you're currently in, such as Import Leads or Import Contacts. Next, Zoho will bring you to the Upload screen. Here, you can either click the Browse button to locate your CSV file on your computer, or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. Before you do this, it's a good idea to make sure your CSV is clean. Remove any completely empty columns, check that headers are clear, and confirm that each row represents a single record. Once your file is selected and appears in the upload area, click Next to move on. Now you'll choose the import type. Zoho gives you two main options. If your CSV file contains brand new records that don't already exist in Zoho, select Add as New Records. If you're updating information for records that are already in your CRM, choose Update Existing Records only. For this second option, Zoho needs something like a unique ID or an email address so it can match the rows in your file to the existing records. Take a moment here to be sure you're choosing the right option for your situation. Then click Next. On the next screen, you'll map fields. On the left, you'll see the column names from your CSV file, and on the right, the corresponding Zoho CRM fields. Go through each one and make sure that the information from your file is going into the correct place in Zoho. Pay special attention to mandatory fields, which are marked with a red asterisk. These must be mapped to a field from your file, or the import will not continue. When everything looks correct, click Next. Finally, you can apply a few finishing touches. Here, you may be able to assign a lead source, such as website or event, or specify an owner, which is the user in your Zoho account who will be responsible for these records. Setting these now can save you time later when you're filtering and reporting. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will begin processing your file in the background. You don't need to stay on the same page while it runs. Once the import is complete, you'll get a notification through the bell icon at the top of the screen. From there, you can review the results, check for any skipped rows, and start working with your newly imported data right inside Zoho CRM.